Hey beautiful, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Mide, and if you're returning, welcome back. I appreciate you. Okay, I'm going to be doing a couple of styles, about 2 styles basically. I'll be using this particular braid out. Okay, I've had this idea in my head for some times now, but I just was not able to come around to get it done until recently. One of my favorite persons just suggested it that I do styles. I have a video on styles somewhere around, but this one is something that I want to do anyway. All right, I'm just going to try it on. So what I'm going to be doing now is like I'm going to make my hair to look this way. Okay, then I will have this round it. I don't know if you're getting it, but because it is braid, it is not something that you'll be able to brush back, so it will be better for you to, I'll just braid it halfway. So I'm going to be parting some hair a little bit, then I'll part this ones too. Pack the one at the back. My hair has been moisturized, okay, just so that it will be easier to manipulate. When you want to do this style, you want to make sure that you do the front as flat as possible. The pattern that you are going to be using will actually depends on what fits you most. There are some people that are quite comfortable with center pattern, okay, but you guys know that I usually just do my pattern this way, half pattern. So that is what I'm going to be doing. So after this is done, you have 2 ways in using this particular style. Either you add these braids to it, or you let down the hair. So when you let the hair down, I will usually opt for this if the weather is not so hot. So I will opt for this, leave the hair down as long as it is not disturbing me right here at the front here. So, and this one that might come out, I will pin it down. I'll use a bobby pin to pin it down. Okay, then the other hand here, I will also use the bobby pin to pin it down so that it does not fly around. As simple as this. So basically you can do any pattern with this particular style. You can lay the hair down, after which you can then brush the hair around here. I don't normally use gel, okay, so what I do is just to brush my hair this way and I'm good to go. Another way that you can style this, if the weather is so hot and I don't want anything touching my neck, so what I do is to bond this one this way. If there's going to be any strand of lock coming out, what you should do is to pin it down, or you use your hand to tuck it into the rest of the locks. I'm going to be using this small rubber band. Okay, so in order for you to secure this particular attachment on your lock, you need to use bobby pin or a couple of pins that you have that you know is going to secure it. So what I do after wrapping it around is just to tuck this into the braid at the front. That is that. Pin it down so that it does not move throughout the day, and if you do that, you are going to be rest assured that it will remain as you place it from morning till night. Okay, so that is what I have for you guys today. So I hope you understand the style. It's quite simple actually, and it can be done on long locks, it can be done on short locks, okay? And this is just like a touch of color, okay, like the color that I usually use. So it's a cool color, but if it is not to your taste, you can use any color that you want, okay? You can even use scarf, you can use material for this particular style, okay? Thank you guys once again for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel if you love it, and stay blessed, stay beautiful, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.